Hi, my name is Carol, and I've been working in the industry for 10 years, starting in 2025. I began working in the wedding industry planning premier and luxury wedding for multicultural weddings, enjoy bringing families together for different background, cultures, and traditions. Over time, I started receiving referrals from clients and planners from other events, including corporate events, galas, fundraising event, retreat, and brand activation. One event I managed was the Golden TV Unforgettable Gala Asian Award Show, where I oversee full production for 700-seated dinner. I have also worked with Creighton and Braille on their wedding registry branding, as well as organizing fundraising events such as Grays of Green, Pacific Choral, and planning and designing their fundraising gala for up to 350 guests. I also volunteer for different organizations, especially WIPA, where I help plan and design many of their events. So giving back to communities, creating meaningful experience, very important to me. So I really, truly enjoy that. Also, with a background in fashion and education from FIDM, I love the fast-paced creative side of the event. I stay active to keep with the energy required during the event day and enjoy traveling for event and destination weddings. Exploring new places while I'm doing what I love, it will be such a pleasure to support you and hope to meet with you soon. Thank you.